Welcome to Solomon Exam Prep. This video will show you the various features available to you in the Solomon Exam Prep Flashcards window. Once you've logged in and navigated to the series of your choice, click the Flashcards icon to enter. Upon entering the flashcard area, you'll notice the links have been removed and the background has been muted to minimize distractions while studying. However, you can easily return to your dashboard by clicking the back button or clicking the logo at the top of the screen. You're immediately given a term to think about. When you want to reveal the definition for that term, click anywhere in the main flashcard area or click the flip button. Click again to flip the card back around. When you are ready for the next card, click Next. This will allow you to navigate one by one through the entire bank of cards. From the drop-down menu below, you're able to select which topics or chapters of the cards you would like to review. All is also an option if you want to randomly pull the cards from all of the chapters. By default, the flashcards are narrowed to just glossary terms. However, you can also test yourself on true and false cards or combine them at random. If you would like to reverse the process, click the Reverse button. Each card will be revealed answer first when you click the Next button. Click it again to return to normal mode. Sometimes it's helpful to hear the terms and definitions read to you. Clicking the audio toggle button will start the narrator reading the text out loud. When you first start, the flashcard system thinks you don't know any of the terms you're about to see. When you're confident you know the content on one of the cards, and you want to remove it from the deck, click Know It. This takes the card out of circulation and increases the number at the top of the screen. Alternatively, you can select other options from the list, depending on how comfortable you are with the content on the card. Once you run out of cards, you'll see the message, "You know all the terms." Congratulations! Now it's time to move on to another section. To start over with the rating system, click Clear Ratings. This will make all of the cards available to you again. To minimize the difficulty rating box, simply click the Hide toggle link. Flashcards are a great way to supplement the valuable information in our study guides and exam simulators. Solomon Exam Prep hopes this video helps you better utilize the flashcard study tool. Thanks for watching.